In today's interconnected world, many people find love online, but long-distance relationships can pose challenges, especially if meeting in person isn't feasible. If you find yourself in such a situation, consider your options. You can either end the relationship, suppress your feelings, or continue knowing that meeting is unlikely. Keeping busy with hobbies, socializing, and changing your communication routine can help you distance yourself. It's also helpful to reflect on the reasons the relationship may not work, such as differing lifestyles or relationship goals. When you're ready to say goodbye, you can choose to end it through a letter, email, or direct conversation, ensuring you clearly communicate your intentions moving forward. Finally, eliminate reminders of the relationship to aid your healing process, allowing you to move on with a clean slate.